Right, so if it's your first time, it would be great if you went to pnuk.co/dhost. That is my affiliate link. I'll get paid a little bit of commission if you sign up through my link. I'll put the link on this video and below. And you'll come to the main Communiteq homepage. Discourse Hosting basically changed their name because they're doing multiple other platforms, not just Discourse Hosting going forward. So they've changed their name, but it is still just discoursehosting.com as well. We're going to start out and we're going to start the free trial. And I'm going to put a name in. Obviously, I've already got an account, so it's going to remember me a little bit. So let's just go through. Let's do Paul N and a password. Sign up. So it's going to ask me all the information. What do I want to do? Which plan do I want to sign up for? I would say 90% of you are going to go to the basic one to start with. Then you can upgrade later. What hosting do you want, depending where you're mostly going to be working. If all your customers are in the EU, you have to go for the EU hosting just to prove it. And if you're based in the EU, you will be expected to be compliant. Then you've got a choice of paying monthly or paying annually. Obviously, we are going to play. Well, not obviously, it's up to you. You want to play. I would always recommend, if you can afford to pay annually, because what it's going to do with my business being small business, and I see this monthly charge coming out, I don't give the forum 6 months to live. I give it month by month, and if by the third month I'm getting billed $30 a month, I might change my mind because the forum's not living. But if you can afford to, give it a year. And you get 2 months free for that. So it's going to be like $290, isn't it? Oh, I've got a bit of light on this. There we go. $290. It gives you a year to get your forum working. But if you can only afford monthly, absolutely stick with the monthly, right? So I'm going to go with free trial. And it's going to ask for billing information here. So I'll go through and put my information in. I'll just cut you at this point and jump you to the next step. But obviously, you've got to put your company name in. And then I think PayPal's always the best way to sign up for a subscription, because you can see what in your PayPal pre-approved payments, what's coming out. But obviously, they'll take your credit card as well. So I'm going to just pause you and jump you past this step as I type in my personal information. So I've just put in my information. I've just put in my PayPal and accepted the monthly charge. Obviously, nothing's been charged until after the end of the trial. I'm going to, I could put my VAT number in, but I don't need to. I'm going to cancel this before the end of this video, so I won't. I'm going to accept the terms of service. You can go and read them if anybody ever does, and complete the order. So we are now done. Please continue. Press here. And we're into our setup settings.